Join me as I take on the challenge of revealing the things rich kids like me totally won't waste our money on. Hey there, it's Learn Up Level. Today we're diving into the world of wealth management among affluent youth. Making smart spending choices is crucial, and us rich kids know a thing or two about that. Growing up wealthy taught me some valuable lessons about money. It's not just about having it, it's about knowing how to use it wisely. Here are 4 things I learned to never waste money on, no matter how much you have. The first thing, overpriced trendy items. Trends fade, but the money you spend on them is gone forever. Instead, focus on quality over branding. It lasts longer and often costs less over time. Next, subscriptions you barely use. It's easy to sign up for monthly services, but those small charges add up quickly. Cancel anything you're not actively using and keep only what adds real value to your life. Third, don't fall for status symbols. Sure, that flashy car or expensive watch might turn heads, but real wealth isn't about showing off. It's about living comfortably and investing in things that truly matter. Finally, avoid impulse purchases. That quick dopamine hit isn't worth the clutter or regret later. Always take a moment to ask, do I really need this? Will it improve my life long term? Being wealthy isn't just about how much you earn, but how you spend. Focus on value, simplicity, and purpose, and you'll find that true wealth is about freedom and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your money-saving tips in the comments below. Smart choices, lasting wealth. Stay and Learn Up Level. Subscribe for more tips.